Alright, boys and girls, we're going to read The Little Red Hen, retold by M.J. York, illustrated by Laura Freeman. Once upon a time, there was a little red hen who was a very hard worker. She lived in a little red barn with a noisy black dog, a lazy orange cat, and a rude pink pig. One day, the little red hen found some wheat seeds. She knew she could plant the seeds and tall wheat stalks would grow. Then she could cut the wheat and bake bread. But it would be a lot of work. "Who will help me plant these seeds?" she asked. "Not I!" barked the noisy black dog. "Not I!" meowed the lazy orange cat. "Not I!" oinked the rude pink pig. "Then I will plant them," said the little red hen. And so she did. Weeks passed. The little red hen watched the wheat. First, little green sprouts began to grow. The sprouts grew taller and taller. They grew into tall wheat stalks. Finally, the wheat stalks were ready to be cut. The little red hen was excited. "Who will help me cut the wheat?" she asked. "Not I!" grumbled the noisy black dog. "Not I!" purred the lazy orange cat. "Not I!" grunted the rude pink pig. "Then I will cut it," said the little red hen, and so she did. Now the little red hen had wheat, but she needed flour to bake the bread. She could take the wheat to the miller, who would grind the wheat into flour. But the miller was a walk of many long miles away. "Who will help me take the wheat to the miller?" she asked. "Not I!" growled the noisy black dog. "Not I!" yawned the lazy orange cat. "Not I!" mumbled the rude pink pig. "Then I will take it," said the little red hen, and so she did. The miller ground the wheat into flour. When the little red hen at last arrived home, she was ready to start making bread. First, she had to make bread dough. "Who will help me make the dough?" she asked. "Not I!" whined the dog. "Not I!" hissed the cat. "Not I!" sighed the pig. "Then I will make it," said the little red hen, and so she did. The little red hen mixed the flour with water, yeast, and salt. She kneaded the dough and watched it rise. Finally, it was ready to bake. "Who will help me bake the dough?" she asked. "Not I!" muttered the dog. "Not I!" sniffed the cat. "Not I!" snorted the pig. "Then I will bake it," said the little red hen, and so she did. The smell of baking bread spread all through the house. Finally, the bread was ready. The little red hen took it out of the oven and sliced it into pieces. "Who will help me eat the bread?" she asked. "I will," yelped the dog. "I will," smiled the cat. I will," squealed the pig. "Not so fast," clucked the little red hen. "I planted the seeds. I cut the wheat. I took the wheat to the miller. I made the dough, and I baked the bread all by myself. And now I will eat it all by myself." And so she did. The end.